Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a luxury particles raising like this in After Effects using Stardust plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it full HD and frame rate 60, duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. I'll go to layers, solid, and I'll name it Stardust. Okay, then OK. Go to Effects and Presets and type Stardust. Now double click or drag and drop. Okay, and here we go. First, I'll go to emitter here, set point to box, and also I'll go to speed, change speed to 70, increase speed random to 20, and also increase size X like this. Okay, and size Y I'll change it to 10, size Z also 10, and I'll go to uniform, set uniform to directional, and orient Z I'll change it to -90. Okay, then I'll go to position Y and put it down like this. Also don't forget to go to duration span and change it to 0. It's very important. Okay, and this is our particles. Okay, now I'll go to particle properties. I'll change it to 3, and life random I'll change it to 50. Okay, and size random also maybe 20, it will be good. Okay, and set normal to add. Okay, now I'll go to solid color gradient, color gradient, and change your colors. I'll choose these colors. Also this one. Okay, then press on linear and I'll move this color something like this. Okay, now I'll go to auxiliary and go to particle per second. I'll change it to 50 or 40, and speed change it to 0. Okay, then I'll go to particle, Control D to copy, and parent. Yeah, now I'll go to particle 2, this one, and change life random to 0. Also size random, change it to 0. And I'll go to color, overlife, size, and move this point down like this. Also opacity. Yeah. And this is our animation. Okay, now I'll go to all of this stuff and Control D. Okay, then take them all. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go to emitter. Okay, emitter, and I'll change size a little bit like this. Okay, then I'll go to particle and I'll increase I'll increase life per second to 5. Okay, and also I'll go to emitter again and I'll change particles per second, maybe I think 70. Yeah, okay, yes, and see. Again, I'll take this stuff here and Control D again, okay, and I'll go to emitter and change it to 50. Okay, go to particle 6, this one, and I'll change life per second to 7. And again, I'll go to particle and I want to decrease size X. And again, I'll go to particle. I think we need more. Yeah, or maybe 10 and see. Also, if you want, go to layer, no solid as a background. Put it down. Okay, go to effect, gradient, and gradient trim, and I'll change these colors. Okay, something like this. And also, if you want, I'll go to add, I'll add a Stardust again. Okay, or we don't need. I'll add just uh, emitter and particle, Control D. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, yeah. And then I'll go to emitter and I'll change particle per second to 500. Okay, and uniform, change orient size to 0, and also I'll increase size Y, size X, and size Z like this. I don't need any speed here. Okay, then I'll go to a particle and I'll change size to maybe 1 or 2, it will be good. Yes, and this is our particles. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.